Let's get started with our first look at gears. So straight away you'll see there are three different types of gears. They're different sizes and they're different colours. You've got the Z28 grey, you've got the Z12 black, and you've got the Z20 in beige. The first thing we should say is that the numbers refer to the number of teeth in each gear. So the Z28 has got 28 teeth, the Z20 has got 20 teeth, and the smallest Z12 has got 12 teeth. So let's see how they work. So to attach them to our base plate, what we're going to need is a Technic pin with a cross axle, and the cross axle simply slides through the center of the gear like that, and it actually holds it in place. It's important that it holds it in place. And then you have the pin that just attaches it to the base, and there you can see it's free moving. Okay, so the first thing we need to know about gears is that gears have to mesh together to work. So if I find the center line and I get this one to match the center line and slide it in, you can see that the teeth have meshed, the gears are meshed, the teeth have engaged with each other, and so when I turn this grey gear, the beige one turns. Okay, so let's learn some language. So this grey gear is the driver and the beige one is the follower. Okay. So let's have a think. So it's important if we're experimenting with gears to know if all these Lego gears mesh with each other. And you can see when I put this black one on, the teeth don't mesh. So turning the grey one does not turn the black gear. We can try it in a slightly different position. And that's something you can do, you can explore, and you can see I'm not able to get the teeth to engage, I'm not able to get the gears to mesh. No matter where I put it, it doesn't mesh. Okay, so we'll leave that one out for now and place that one back in. So one thing that you will notice is that if you place the black one next to the beige one, then the teeth in those two gears engage and they're meshed. The gears are meshed. Okay, so let's turn one of them. So when it comes to the gears turning, if we turn this grey gear anti-clockwise, what way does the beige one turn? That's right, the beige one turns clockwise. So it goes the opposite direction of the driver. So the driver goes anti-clockwise and the follower turns clockwise. What happens if we add a third gear, if we make a gear train? So let's place that in, again following the central line. So you can see in a gear train, the driver gear and the third gear go in the same direction. Let's add another beige one in. So we're making the gear train longer, and you can see that when there are 4 in there, gear number 1, the driver, and gear number 3 are both going anti-clockwise, where gear number 2 and gear number 4 are going clockwise. And if we follow this along, all the odd numbered gears would go the same direction, and all the even number ones would go in the same direction. Okay, so one thing you can see that gears allow us to do is gears allow us to change, to transfer movement. You can see I've transferred movement from here all the way to the end. Okay, so that's one use of gears. That's one of the things we'll be using gears for in this project.